Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry, class 10, exercise 12.2, problem number 6. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. Click this I button to learn introduction to trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 12.2, question number 6. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 30 meters high, find the height of the building. Let us see the solution. What information is given in this problem? The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower, and means here building and tower is given. So tower means somewhat height. This is the tower. You can think this is the building. A, B, C, D. So CD is the height of the building. AB is the height of the tower. So the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is, so foot of the tower means here too, the top of the building here, it is making 30 degrees angle it is making. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from foot of the building, this is the foot of the building, this is the top of the tower. So here it is making 60 degrees angle it is making. 60 degrees angle it is making. Again it is given height of the tower is 30 meters. This is height of the tower is given by 30 meters. This total height is given by 30 meters. We need to find height of the building. This CD value we need to find. Height of the building we need to find. So here we don't know the distance between foot of the building and foot of the tower, we don't know. That is, we need to take D meters we are taking. So that is D meters. From foot of the building to foot of the tower. Now see here, AB equal height of the tower, that equal 30 meters. That equal 30 meters. Next CD I am taking. Let CD equal height of the building. That equal H meters. That one we don't know. That's why we are taking H meters. Now AD. What is AD? Distance between foot of the tower and building, that is D meters. That one also we are taking as a let AD equal distance between foot of the tower to foot of the building. That equal to D meters. Now here angle of elevations is given. From foot of the tower it is given. From foot of the building also given. So the elevation angles equal 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Now I am taking this triangle I am taking. In triangle ABD, whole triangle, this whole triangle tower one I am taking. Angle D. Angle D means from foot of the building to top of the tower it is making 60 degrees, it is making. Elevation angle 60 degrees it is making. So angle D equals 60 degrees. So what we have to say? Side opposite to angle 60. We can say AD is adjacent. Side adjacent to angle 60 we can say. So now opposite and adjacent. What is the trigonometric ratio? That is tan. So now you can take the tan. Tan 60 degrees equal opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 we know the value. So tan 60 value is root 3 equal opposite. What is opposite here? That is AB is opposite by adjacent is AD. So root 3 equal AB. AB value is 30 by AD value we don't know, that one we took D meters. Just we can interchange. Otherwise you can take the cross multiplication. D into root 3. Root 3 into D equal to 30. This root 3 you can transpose to right. D equal 30 by root 3. D value we got it here 30 by root 3. So D equal 30 by root 3. 30 how I am writing? 10 into 3 we can write. By root 3 as it is. 10 into 3 that is 30. 30 how I written? Multiple of 10 into 3 I written. 10 and 3. So root 3 was the root 3. Root 3 is a 3. So D equal 10 root 3 meters. D value we got it here 10 root 3 meters. But for us what we need? Height of the building only we need. This one they didn't ask. For calculation height of the building we got here D value. Okay. Now this triangle I am taking. ACD triangle I am taking. In triangle ACD, angle angle A equal 30 degrees. So from foot of the tower to height of the building it is making elevation angle, that is 30 degrees it is making. So here already it is 60 degrees one completed. Now we took 30 degrees. So here CD is the side opposite to 30. AD is the side adjacent to 30 degrees. So tan only I am taking. Tan 30 degrees equal opposite by adjacent. So tan 30, that value we know, that is 1 by root 3. Opposite. Side opposite to angle 30 is CD by adjacent side is AD. So 1 by root 3. CD value is H by AD value is D. That equal 1 by root 3 equal H by H value we don't know, as it is we are writing. D value we know, that is 10 root 3. Now you can take this, just you have to transpose 10 root 3 by root 3 equal H. Root 3 get cancelled. H equal 10. So what is H here? What we took H? So H is height of the building. Therefore the conclusion you can write it. Therefore height of the building H equal 10 meters. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.